Good day, my name is Sandra Hernandez Mesa. I am 34 years old. I study business administration and I live in Bogota City. I am married with a wonderful man for about 6 years. We have been shared personal and professional moments. My hometown is Flandes, Tolima, and there is live move of my family. For that reason, I travel frequently to visit them and to enjoy the warm weather. I have an older brother and a beautiful niece. She is 4 years old, so it is in kindergarten. My parents currently have a restaurant in Hernandez City, where they have worked very hard for many years. I can see that my childhood was happy because I living in a calm place. In cold practice, my favorite sport that was to ride bicycle, visit my grandparents, in the countryside, enjoying a warm and very cozy water. I remember that I did not have economic resources, but if we had a lot of family love, we could go for a walk and buy roast chicken. We enjoyed the time together and learned to be better people. When we visit to my grandparents, we used to rent my bicycle, and the landscape was very cozy and quiet. My grandparents and aunts who had a family business, and they made and sold arepas and other products. They always give us to try everything. The arepas were very delicious. They were always waiting to offer us the best day and to give us a lot of affection and kindness. When we returned almost away, we were on the road what course. At the time of primary school, my mom of Wells always accompanied us and picked us up to take us home so fall. I remember adventures with classmates, the games, the dance we practiced for some presentation we had at important events. It was very excited to be able to live that era. Then, in high school, the level of responsibility was greater and the activity and commitments different. I realized that I loved painting and craft, so I was always attentive when I had art education class. When I have art education class, at the moment I continue was the trust for painting. I start with ceramic. I know I am in hold. I thought they are different techniques. The essence is the same, and it is to touch me by means of colors, the feeling and the originality of painting. With my professional career, I want to try a company with my husband. Thank you very much.